Understanding medium rare, a guide to steak doneness. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a delicious topic that you might encounter in restaurants, cookbooks, or while watching your favorite cooking shows. We're talking about the term medium rare, a phrase commonly used to describe how a steak is cooked. Whether you're dining out or cooking at home, knowing this term will help you enjoy your meal just the way you like it. So let's get started. When someone cooks a steak to medium rare, they are aiming for a balance of tenderness and flavor. A medium rare steak has a warm, red center. It's cooked on the outside and about 50 to 60% on the inside, with the middle being pink and the very center slightly red. This level of doneness is preferred by many steak enthusiasts because it retains the steak's juices and soft texture while bringing out its rich flavor. Cooking a steak to medium rare is an art that requires attention to timing and temperature. Chefs typically sear the steak on a high-heat surface to form a crust and then cook it at a lower temperature until it reaches an internal temperature of approximately 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 to 57 degrees Celsius. It's important to let the steak rest for a few minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent and flavorful. If you're at a restaurant and you want to enjoy a steak that's tender and juicy with a bit of a pink center, you would order it medium rare. It's a common phrase in steakhouse menus around the world and signals to the chef your preferred level of doneness. Don't be afraid to use this term. It's a universal way to ensure you get the quality of steak you're looking for. Choosing medium rare is a matter of personal taste and texture preference. Some people believe that cooking a steak beyond medium rare can diminish its flavor and moisture. Medium rare steaks offer a perfect compromise between the raw texture of less cooked steaks and the firmness of more thoroughly cooked meat. That's a wrap on our medium rare exploration. Remember, understanding terms like this is not just about adding to your English vocabulary. It's about enriching your dining experiences and cooking skills. We hope this video has been insightful and that you feel confident using and understanding the term medium rare the next time you're dealing with steak. Happy eating, and see you in the next video.